Welcome to the JMT.
Hi people, I greet to now and I welcome you once again to this our news channel. Make una do well to follow us, like, share and subscribe. And make una not forget to comment for all our videos, because now as you see am, now we dey talk am more. On today's news, not be news again. Say yesterday explosion happened for Ibadan. We are yet to know. People not still know wetin cause this kind explosion all of a sudden. No sign, nothing. Something just sup. Many lives go down and so many properties too go down. The governor of Ibadan don't come out to talk say na illegal miners now cause this kind thing. No, I want play on the video make una hear how the governor of Ibadan take react concerning this matter where they are rising for Ibadan. So
Your Excellency, sir, it is quite unfortunate. In all of this, what do you have to say, Your Excellency, sir?
Well, I mean, this preliminary period, you know, we've seen the devastation here, and from what we've gathered so far, the likelihood is that you have illegal miners trying to explosives around this place. We've always said to people that when you see something, say something, and then the authorities should be able to do something. This is quite unfortunate. At this stage, is just to rescue anyone that is still under the rubble here, and also the people that have been taken to the hospital to give them care, and also some of the people who have their houses destroyed, provide temporary accommodation for them at hotels within the city. And then in the morning, we definitely will continue the investigation.
Okay. What are your words to the affected families?
Well, the affected families, I'll say the government is here. We will support them in the recovery effort. But most importantly, at this stage, whatever information we can get, we need it, and then we'll react appropriately to this incident. It's just it's devastating. It's something that it's difficult to wrap one's head around this.
DJ